Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Okay, this fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. Now let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I do not see any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, taking a look at the spoiler. It looks really good. And also the back bumper is in perfect condition as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Okay, this quarter panel has no dents or scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the passenger door. This door looks really good. I do not see any scratches or dents on the door at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Alright, that looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, the radio and AC buttons are in good condition. Also, the shifter is in excellent condition as well. And I do not see any wear and tear on the performance buttons. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.